Welcome to PMDC Online Lecture Room. My name is Assistant Professor Rashid Ahmed. Today we will discuss about the components of the ideology of Pakistan. So the ideology of Pakistan is the outcome of four elements which are called the components of the ideology of Pakistan. These components give birth to the ideology of Pakistan. The following are the elements of the ideology of Pakistan. First, Islam. Islam is a complete code of life. On the basis of Islam, the Muslims of India demanded for a separate homeland, and on the basis of which the two-nation theory came into being, which later on got the shape of Pakistan. So Islam is the first element of the ideology of Pakistan, because Pakistan came into existence on the basis of Islam, on the basis of Kalmat Tayyiba. So Islam gave support to the ideology of Pakistan. Muslims and Hindus, they were different from each other on the basis of Islam. Hindus worship different gods and Muslims worship only one God, which is Allah. So Islam, this is the first component, and this is the great supporter of the ideology of Pakistan. Second, democracy. The basic essence of democracy is to respect the view of majority, but along with this, it protects the rights and way of expression of minority, which is the compulsory element of democracy. One of the most important elements of democracy is plebiscite, in the light of which every nation of the world has the right to make decisions about its future. According to this rule, the Muslims of Hindustan demanded for a separate state. So, on the basis of democracy, the Muslim was a separate nation. They have their own culture, they have their own civilization, they have their own style of life, they have their own identity. So this was the second element, or you can say this was the second component of the ideology of Pakistan. Third, social justice and equality. The purpose of Pakistan ideology was to establish such a society in which all the sects have equal rights on equality basis of social justice and evenness. Social justice and equality, at that time the Muslims were in hot water. The Hindus wanted to deprive Muslim in the society. They wanted to dominate the Muslim. And the Muslim wanted social justice and equality because they were a separate nation. So, for the getting of social justice and for equality in the society, the Muslim of the subcontinent demanded a separate homeland. So this was the third element of the ideology of Pakistan: social justice and equality. Fourth number, basic human rights. Muslims were in minority in United Hindustan, due to which their basic human rights were violated. Therefore, acquisition and protection of rights were basic components of ideology of Pakistan. Basic human rights were not given to the Muslim at that time. They were deprived. They were living like slaves. So, for the getting of basic human rights, the Muslim demanded a separate homeland. So, basic human rights was the fourth and the last component of the ideology of Pakistan. These are the four components, and these four components give support to the ideology of Pakistan. Now, assignment for the students: first of all, define Islam, and second, define democracy, and third, what is meant by social equality. Thanks.